Punctuating the skyline within the former Queen Elizabeth Olympic Park, the Stratford Autograph Collection offers a fresh approach to contemporary luxury in East London. Part of Manhattan Loft Gardens, an ambitious mixed-use vertical community. Inside Scandinavian-inspired interiors, curated artwork and multiple dining concepts offer a cool, refined retreat. Combined with excellent transport connections, this makes the ideal base for design-conscious travelers and urban explorers. A decade in the making, opening its doors in 2019, the hotel forms part of the Manhattan Loft Gardens, a development by seasoned property developer Harry Handelsman. Enter through the lounge, a capacious triple-height space. Floor-to-ceiling windows allows light to flood in. The space is softened with greenery, and a double-sided 10-meter fireplace is the focal point. Overhead, the mezzanine bar peeks out from a curved interior balcony, while below, a central lounge bar offers an inviting spot for evening drinks. Danish design studio, Space Copenhagen bring their own signature style, which they call poetic modernism, to communal guest spaces and guest rooms. In the rooms, Scandinavian minimalism is fused with warm, tactile textures, using natural oak, soft pastels, and stone bathrooms, creating a calm contrast to the building's bold modern architecture. The 145 rooms range from standard, superior, executive, accessible, deluxe, and family rooms suited to couples, families, and friends, while junior, Stratford, and Manhattan studios, which feature both living and dining spaces in addition to capacity for hosting 3 guests. All rooms are furnished with king, queen, or super king-size beds with Egyptian cotton sheets, in addition to Nespresso coffee machines and Joe Love's toiletries, the Stratford hoodies, in-room dressing gowns, and a stocked minibar. During my stay, I was hosted in a Manhattan studio, the hotel's largest room category. A super king bed sits in the center of this vast 64 square meter space, while red tub armchairs and a curved sofa lend a pop of color and personality, along with a separate dining area. Windows wrap around the corner of the room in a zigzag formation, adding architectural interest, while the angular layout further enhances the views across Stratford's skyline. The bathroom is a sanctuary in its own right, encased in smooth marble, with soft floor and ceiling lighting. A sculptural freestanding bathtub is positioned by the window, which looks down on Stratford International Station. Across from the bath is a large glass-sided rainfall shower and a sleek vanity area. Just remember, the windows aren't one-way, so for added privacy, be sure to draw the mesh curtains before sinking into the tub. The hotel's destination restaurant Koken is on the 7th floor, meaning a name that brings together the opposing elements of past and present. Led by head chef Daisuke Shimoyama, who made his name introducing seasonally focused kaiseki-style dining to London's restaurant scene, at Hana on the South Bank and prior to that at Umo, a Michelin-starred restaurant. Here, Shimoyama's menu honors the fine traditions of Japanese cuisine while infusing it with modern flair. The restaurant forms an L shape with minimalist interiors and a muted color palette, which lets the sushi and sashimi and vividly mismatched ceramics lead. Our server is fun and a font of knowledge about the menu. He guides us towards the starter platter. This beautifully presented tray comes with oyster katsu, homemade tofu, saba sushi, chawanmushi, and aubergine tempura. Next morning, I headed to Kitchen E20 for breakfast, this relaxed all-day restaurant, complete with an open kitchen and outside terrace seating. Taking an a la carte format, options include the full English, vegetarian full English, or shakshuka with baked egg, crumbled feta, and avocado. Lighter bites include cinnamon-spiced porridge, smashed avocado on sourdough with poached eggs, or buttermilk pancakes with blueberries and creme fraiche. I went for the smashed avocado, chili, lime, and coriander on toasted sourdough with 2 poached eggs. The breakfast menu includes 1 dish plus access to a help-yourself counter selection of fresh fruit, yogurts, cereals, pastries, toast, cold cuts, and juices.